Hi guys, welcome. Today we're going to solve the equation of 3x plus 4 equal to 5. Both sides of the equation we're going to do minus 4. So we see 3x plus 4 minus 4 equal to 5 minus 4. Plus 4 minus 4 cancel each other, are equal to 0. 3x plus 0 equal to 3x. And this side we have 5 minus 4, which remaining 1, equal to 1. Now both sides of the equation we're going to do divided by 3. So we have 3x divided by 3 equal to 1 divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. We have 1 multiplied with x, which is only x remaining, and the answer is x equal to 1 divided by 3. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching.